Today, I will teach how to make this smooth cinematic transition. First, find the exact moment you want the ghost to appear. Split the clip, duplicate it, and turn the copy into an overlay. Step 2. Align the overlay perfectly underneath. Remove background to isolate your character. Step 3. Now, add a keyframe at the start of your overlay. Move forward a few frames. Zoom into the image and slide it to the side. Add the Soul Out video effect. Step 4. To make it look like a real spirit, tap Opacity and drop the slider down to 40 or 50%.